been texting my phone. You're not my girlfriend. I just took a fit with your girlfriend. I been kicking shit with your girlfriend. Yeah, I mean I say big and bad. Straight. You don't know and the one done. So me I say. I mean I big up all of the girls that got the fat pum pum. Straight. Yeah. You know say me is a man who love woman a bit now. But same time, I have to protect myself. Big up all the girls them, we have it now too. Straight. That's all I say. Yeah man. But protect yourself same way, that's all I say. Any man, when make another man, make him a come. But that man, stay far from land. That's all I say. Straight. I love woman, I love girls, yeah. But not underage girls, that's all I say. Up to the time. God make woman for man. You see me? Even though you have woman, I go to woman and man, I go to man. But me not go to no man. That's all I say. Me rather go to the woman then. Straight. Up to the time of the one dad. That's all I say. Big up the girl with a false piece of sin thing there. Yeah. Can't resist it. I love it. Straight. You don't know it go.